There's no need to buy those high-priced fancy depth gauges. You can use your drill bits. This one is 3/8 of an inch, and it's exact. Always pre-drill hardwood. If not, it has a tendency to split. If you don't have one of these handy dandy fancy gauge markers, that's okay. Get yourself a piece of wood, drill a hole in it, and use a screw as your depth guide. Perfect straight line. Go to the Dollar Tree and buy one of these for $1. Put it right here, and every time you need something for your shop, you can write it down so you don't forget it. If you drink coffee, hold on to these plastic coffee holders right here. They make a good holder for all those stray nails and stuff that come out of your shop. If you don't drink coffee yourself, ask a neighbor. They're always around. If you can't find those plastic containers for coffee, get a Sterilite or something like this from Walmart or Dollar Tree. It's a great place to store your stuff, and you can double stack them. Shop projects don't have to be pretty, they just have to be functional. Harbor Freight clamps are a best buy, and they're very cheap. There's nothing wrong with Harbor Freight tools. They're very good to start off with. To make sure it's something that you want to do, they come cheap, and yes, they're not great quality, but they work. I had this one for about 3 years until I graduated up to my rigid spindle sander, but it works pretty good. I've got a few other ones too. Here's a good tip for you. Go to Dollar Tree, buy as many packs of these as you want, and then keep them in your shop. A great place to store these are in a coffee cup. Store your epoxy and your wood glue inside to keep it warm so it'll flow when you go outside. Take your CA glue and store that in the refrigerator. It'll last longer. When buying stuff, make sure you check specialty shops in your mall and such, because it's a lot cheaper. This mat, $34 online. Got it at the kitchen store for $9. These molds for epoxy resin, $5 each. This, Walmart, for when you're sanding to keep it steady, $1.50. When buying epoxy, you can buy this epoxy at Lowe's for $16. Or with a 40% off coupon, you can buy this Alumilite at Hobby Lobby for $16.